In this video we show how to manage player account groups. We take you through creating a group, adding a player account to it, using the group as a filter in a search, and finally, how to remove the player account from the group. First, we will create a new group. We give each group a unique integer number. When making a group-related API call, we identify the group using this number. We can now add a player account to this group. There are 3 methods to do this. 1. Add a player account through the Manage Group page. 2. Add a player account to a group through the Player Accounts detail page. And 3. Through a call to the add, remove player account from a group API call. We can now filter player accounts by their group membership. And, just like adding a player account to a group, the same 3 methods can be used to remove a player account from a group. For information on group-related API calls, please read the Online Player Accounts Services Implementation Notes, located on the Services Details page of the game or app subscribed to the service. Thank you for watching. Please visit our YouTube channel to find more related videos.